Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is miscellaneous. It's pronounced miscellaneous, and it is spelt miscellaneous. Think miss, then cell, then the word an, then the letter e, and then us. Miscellaneous means of various types or from different sources. For example, you could say, my money box is filled with miscellaneous coins. Miscellaneous comes from the Latin word miscellus, meaning mixed. If something is miscellaneous, it is made up of a mix of different types. Here are some miscellaneous but interesting facts. They're miscellaneous as they are all about different unrelated things. Number 1. Your nostrils work one at a time. Feel under your nose as you are breathing now. Is your breath coming out of both nostrils or just one? 2. The dot over the lowercase I or J is known as a tittle. Number 3. Children ask 300 questions a day. Miscellaneous is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, the children sorted through the miscellaneous Lego pieces to find the final piece they needed. Miscellaneous is defined in the dictionary as consisting of a mixture of various things that are not usually connected with each other. Miscellaneous' synonyms include various, varied, different, assorted, mixed, diverse, and different. Antonyms include alone, lone, simple, single, and singular. See if you can notice any miscellaneous items today. It could be the things in your school bag or the food in your lunchbox. Either way, impress your friends and family by describing it using your new word, miscellaneous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.